Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna go ahead and learn about how to get different shields on Monopoly Go. So if you want to go ahead and get different shields on your Monopoly Go, so to change the skins for that, so the things that you should do to get them is you'll just need to participate onto different events that are actually offered on your Monopoly Go app. So there might be some times that the reward for that are actually some skin shields. So you need to look out for events like that. And also you could try to check onto the daily rewards or weekly rewards because sometimes they also offer the skin shields as a reward in there. So as you can see, this is where you should see it. So you'll just need to participate on the different events and check to that one. And for you to be able to change to a different shield if you have already received one, you'll just need to head under the three horizontal lines here onto the upper part. And then once you're already in there, just go ahead and try to locate the showroom. So once you're already onto the showroom, you should be able to see onto the middle part the shield, and you should be able to see the different shields in there that are offered to you. You'll just have to click onto which one you want to use, and as of the moment I only have one in here, you'll just have to equip onto which one you like. Well, that's just basically it onto getting different shields on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.